In watchOS 9, you could change Apple Watch faces with a simple swipe gesture. Apple removed this feature with watchOS 10 and introduced a new way to change watch faces on the Apple Watch. In this video, I will show you how to use this new feature and bring back the older swipe to change Apple Watch faces feature if you don't like it. With watchOS 10, instead of swiping from the edge of the screen, unlock your Apple Watch and long press on the Apple Watch screen to enter into watch face customization mode. Now, you can swipe left and right to choose from your existing watch faces. At the end of the list of your watch faces, you will see a big plus button. Tap it to add a new watch face without using your iPhone. I prefer the new method because it prevents accidental watch face changes and allow me to add a new watch face directly from my Apple Watch. However, if you favor the older method, here's how to restore it. To bring back the original swipe to change Apple Watch faces feature, press the digital crown to open the app library and launch the settings app. Scroll down to the clock setting and tap to open it. Now, turn on the toggle for swipe to switch watch face option. That's it. Now, you can change Apple Watch faces by swiping from the right or left edge of the display. Note that you don't get the option to create a new watch face using the swipe gesture. You have to use the first method we showed to do this. I hope that you found this guide useful. Before you go, click the link to learn how to pause Apple Watch exercise rings without breaking the streak. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.